Welcome to another new video. Today's video is how to create pastel color gradient effect in Lightroom. Drag and drop photos on your Lightroom document. Click on Import button. Now go to Develop tab. Here we will change some settings. Go to exposure and increase exposure size to 0.44. Now go to contrast. Increase contrast to +12. Now go to highlights. Increase highlights to +7 and increase shadow to +30. Now increase black to +14. Now go to clarity. Decrease clarity to -11 and also decrease vibrance to -18 and decrease saturation to -30. Now go to tone curves. Increase shadow to +30 and now go to color grading. From color grading, go to highlights. Click on highlights. From highlights, increase hue to 40 and set to 50. Press enter key. Now again go to color gradient and choose shadow. Click on shadow. Now go to hue from shadow and set it 230 and set to 71. Press enter key. Again go to color gradient, select mid-tone. Decrease luminance. Here is your pastel color gradient photo. Let's check before and after. This one before and this one after. Thanks for watching the video.